Judge Juan Merchan dismissed arguments from President Trump's attorneys today, ruling the criminal hush money trial will in fact begin on March 25th. President Trump's attorney, Todd Blanche, claimed that keeping the date in late March would be a, quote, great injustice. I want to bring in National Press Secretary for the Trump campaign, Karoline Leavitt. Caroline, if this date does hold, President Trump will be sitting in a courtroom in Manhattan at the height of election season. Is there any other way to describe this than election interference?
Well, that's exactly what the Democrats want, Daniel. This is election interference. And today in itself is another day in Joe Biden's America where we have a two-tier justice system on full display. You have President Trump being forced to sit in a courtroom, being prosecuted for crimes he never committed. He is completely innocent, while real violent criminals are allowed to run free in the streets of New York. We also have a similar court hearing down in Georgia in the case brought by Fani Willis, who is another Democrat district attorney who campaigned on the promise of getting Donald Trump and actually fundraised it off of the bogus charges that she is bringing. Two court cases, very similar, brought by Democrat DAs who are working at the behest of Joe Biden to interfere in this next election. Democrat DAs who have no legal basis for their cases. Legal experts on both sides of the aisle agree that neither of these cases should be withheld and withstood in a court of law. And then thirdly, the timing on both of these cases is also very important. As you just mentioned, the Democrats have had years to bring these cases forward and prosecute President Trump, and they're choosing to do it in the midst of a presidential election where he is already the presumptive nominee, soon will be the official nominee for the Republican Party. And it's because Joe Biden and the Democrats know this is the only way they can try and beat Donald Trump. It is their way of cheating in this next election because they know they can't beat him fair and square at the ballot box.